An above the shoulder, beautiful curly short bob style cut by Belle Tress. I reviewed this one recently. This is in the City collection. It's Newport in crushed almond R. I got quite a few requests to review this one next to the Caliente by Belle Tress in the Cafe collection, just to check out the similarities and differences. And that helps give us a little bit of reference, whether we're gonna like a style in the City collection compared to one that we already know and love. I'm also gonna throw a ringer in there as well. So we compare 3 mid-length curly bob styles. Newport, that short to mid-length curly bob style, it has minimal layering in the back. So you're gonna get more or less of a ledge effect in the back. It has a longer fringe, although I feel like there's a little 7-inch fringe hidden in there too, that helps us sweep away from the face and keep it out of the face and eyes. Most of your weight on this style in terms of visual weight is gonna be at the bottom. As I mentioned, you do have a little bit of a ledge effect there. And this one has that lace front left monofilament side part made from the heat-friendly fiber by Belle Tress. So this is the lovely Caliente by Belle Tress in their Cafe collection, shown here in Root Beer Float Blonde. Remember, you can find all of the featured wigs at Wig Studio 1. If you go below the video and expand the description box, you'll locate a direct product link. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site where you can see all of the colors and pricing. Belle Tress items are 30% off at checkout at Wig Studio 1. So you can see right away, and we're gonna do a side-by-side of these styles as well, but you can see right away that Caliente lays a little longer on me. So instead of that maybe 11, 12 inch, it really is gonna stretch down to about 13 inches. And you really don't think of Caliente as having a graduated effect, but it kind of does, because these longer side pieces towards the front do stand out a little more. It also is fairly blunt cut across the back. So again, there's limited layering. Caliente has a 7-inch fringe. I love how this fringe sweeps, just sweeps out of the eyes, back into the style. Every Caliente is a little bit different. I think we've discovered that because it is such a beloved style. We're ordering multiples, and you can see the subtle differences. Caliente has a temple to temple, non-extended lace front, left monofilament side part, again, limited permatease. Very, very similar to the Newport, but this one features the original cap, which has strap adjusters and fits a little larger. The Newport has the Velcro adjusters and seems to accommodate my petite average circumference a little easier. So this Caliente is just a winner. It always has been. I think I have this in 6 or 7 colors now. I always threaten to have a Caliente party. I better do that before they cancel the style. But if you like Caliente in that Cafe collection, I really think you're going to enjoy also the Newport. So here's my surprise in this comparison. You heard me in my original review of the Newport, kind of comparing that to Editor's Pick. Well, I'm wearing Raquel Welch's Editor's Pick Elite in Shaded Biscuit. And this will be a very nice color comparison as well, because Shaded Biscuit is very similar to the crushed almond R, which you're going to see on Newport. They're almost identical in color, although I feel like this Shaded Biscuit is a little cooler than some applications that I've seen. We know these are variances that do exist out there. Editor's Pick has a 4.5-inch fringe as opposed to more of a 7-inch fringe on the other two. The length is more comparable to Caliente, I think, than the Newport. Newport's a little shorter. This one tends to stretch down to that 12 to 13-inch mark. The curl on this one is a softer, rounder curl, whereas the other two are more shattered, tapered, and textured. This one features an extended lace front and full monofilament top, whereas the other two have a lace front left monofilament side part. So let's go ahead, I'll do my side by side, and you can kind of pick and choose which one you think might work for you. These would also make great sister styles or companion styles. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here on TAZSWIG Closet.